My dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. Yesterday we have discussed about the how does alcohols react with active metals, or we can say the topic is nothing but acidic nature of alcohols. Okay, beta. Now in that reactions involving the cleavage of OH bond category, we are going to be discuss second type, that is nothing but reaction with what, beta? Grignard reagent. Okay, what is the formula of Grignard reagent? Yes, you know very well, RMgX nano. So Grignard reagent on reaction with alcohol, definitely they are going to give you the product. The product is nothing but what, beta? Alkane. Very, very important. Right. For that statement, let us go for one general reaction. Right. Alcohol general formula ROH. Reaction with Grignard reagent RMgX. But to show the variation of R and R, here I am writing R prime. No problem, beta. Right. So in Grignard reagents, Mg metal electropositive and R group is electronegative. You know the charges very well. And in alcohols, which type of bond cleavage we are doing here? OH bond cleavage we are discussing. Due to OH cleavage, their hydrogen carries charge positive and oxygen carries charge negative, beta. So now opposite combination we have to be make up, nana. Right. So R dash or R prime, it contain the charge negative, it going to be attract positive, H plus given to R prime. So we are getting the product R prime H, R prime H. So this is your compound. The compound name is what, beta? Alkane. Right, nana. Next one, byproduct MgX. Yes, here I am going to be write MgX as it is. Metal charge positive, positive will be attacked by negative species, nothing but alkoxy group going to be attack upon Mg. So we have to be say that OR, that OR goes to be attacks upon Mg plus. So alkoxy magnesium halide. Once again, alkoxy magnesium halide. This is the byproduct, nana. But our main product is nothing but what, beta? Alkane. So statement once again, alcohols on reaction with Grignard reagent gives alkane. In that process, which type of bond is cleavaging in alcohol? Either CO bond or OH bond. Which alcohol, beta? OH bond going to be cleavage. Good. Right. Let us go for one example for this reaction. Alcohol. Here I have taken the alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol. What is the formula of ethyl alcohol? C2H5OH. Undergo reaction with what? Grignard reagent. What is the formula of Grignard reagent? Methyl magnesium bromide, CH3MgBr. Okay, beta. Yes, one of the example of methyl magnesium bromide. It is an example of Grignard reagent we have taken here. Right, beta. So in alcohols, which type of cleavage is going on? OH cleavage. And in methyl magnesium bromide, Mg contain charge plus, CH3 contain minus, CH3 minus combines with what, nana? H plus, and we are getting the product is nothing but CH4. Is it is an example for alkane and its name is nothing but methane. Right, byproduct, nana. MgBr as it is, in bracket mein OR, R replaced by what? C2H5. So the byproduct is nothing but MgBr. The group is here alkoxy, but here the group is ethoxy. What is the formula of ethoxy? C2H5. So ethoxy magnesium bromide. Ethoxy magnesium bromide. This is your byproduct, nana. Okay, right. So ethanol on reaction with methyl magnesium bromide gives methane. Here I am going to ask you one question. Try to imagine. Here I have taken ethyl alcohol. Now ethyl group I am going to replace by methyl. Methyl group I am going to replace by ethyl. Here methyl changes to methane. But here I am going to take now ethyl. Now methyl will be changes to ethane. Here I am going to take propyl. It changes to propane. Here I am going to take C6H5 and it gives benzene. Like that, all types of aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons also we can prepare. I hope you understand. Right now. Okay. Type 2 reaction with Grignard reagents are over. So alcohols on reaction with Grignard reagents, they are going to form the product that is nothing but alkane. Shall we go for next important reaction? Yes, beta. This is nothing but esterification of alcohols. Very, very evergreen important reaction, nana. So very important. Right. Let us go for first of all, sir, what is mean by esterification reaction? It was very common definition, nana. Yes, first of all, before that I want to say one more common definition. Neutralization. Yes, we are studying from 7th standard, 8th standard, Nana. What is meant by neutralization? When an acid combines with a base that forms salt and water. So acid plus base gives a salt and water. This is the common definition of neutralization. Such common definition we have to be studied for esterification. Sir, how to remember? Nothing better. A plus A gives rise to ester. That means acid plus alcohol gives rise to ester. Acid plus alcohol. A plus A. Acid plus alcohol gives rise to ester. Acid means carboxylic acid. Acid plus alcohol gives rise to ester. Preparation of ester, the method is nothing but esterification. Esterification we are doing from starting compound is alcohol. So we are saying esterification of alcohol. Right. So let us go for statement. In esterification process, definitely there will be removal of water molecule will be takes place, and you know very well, for the removal of water molecule, which reagent we have to be used? Concentrated sulfuric acid. It acts as a dehydrating agent. It is responsible to remove the water molecule. Right, you know very well. Yeah, statement. Shall we discuss the statement once again? Right, what is meant by esterification of alcohols? Alcohols on reaction with carboxylic acids A plus A. Alcohols on reaction with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It acts as acid catalyst, Nana. And it forms the product. The product is nothing but esters, and along the formation of esters, here the byproduct is nothing but water molecule. Once again, alcohols on reaction with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives esters and water, and this process is known as esterification reaction. Which reaction? Esterification reaction. And also we can say one more name of this reaction is nothing but this is called Fischer esterification reaction. Fischer esterification reaction. Okay, beta? Right. So alcohol, here I have taken the formula ROH. Undergo reaction with, I told you, carboxylic acid, RCOOH, RCOOH, carboxylic acid. But to show the variation, in alcohol we are denoting alkyl is R, in carboxylic acids the alkyl group is denoted as R prime. To show the variation only we are writing R prime, Nana. Okay, right. So this is the formula of alcohol. Alcohols on reaction with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, you are getting the product is alcohol, sorry, ester, and one more the byproduct is nothing but water molecule. Right. So how the ester going to be formed? Where we have to make the bond, where we have to break the bond, like that. Be careful. Alcohols, they undergo OH cleavage. Okay, beta. In carboxylic acids, we have to do CO cleavage. CO, bond build. Right now. So they will ask you the question. During esterification of alcohols, the type of cleavage in alcohol is OH. The type of cleavage in carboxylic acid is CO. Very, very important. Type of cleavage in alcohol OHU, type of cleavage in carboxylic acid CO. Okay, beta? Right. So after cleavage, what is the remaining group in carboxylic acid? R prime C double bond O. Good. Now that R prime C double bond O combines with remaining group OR. This is your formula of what, beta? Ester. So from alcohol, here we are removing H plus because of alcohols act as proton acceptors, alcoholic nature. Yesterday we have studied. So that H plus combines with what, Nana? Yes, so that H plus combines with OH minus and removed in the form of water molecule. I hope you this reaction was clear. So once again I am going to tell you statement, Nana. Alcohols on reaction with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives ester and it forms the byproduct is nothing but water molecule. Right. Shall we discuss few of the examples, beta? Right. Alcohol, the example is nothing but CH3OH. You know the compound name, methyl alcohol, or we can say methanol. Methanol on reaction with acetic acid, CH3COOH. Okay, beta? Yes. And reaction takes place in presence of acidic medium, concentrated sulfuric acid, and also we can take HCl also. Right now. So in alcohol, OH cleavage takes place, and in carboxylic acid, CO cleavage takes place. H plus combines with OH minus, and it was removed in the form of water molecule. What will be the byproduct? What will be the main product? CH3 bond, C double bond O. From carboxylic acid, this group remains as it is, and H combines with OH, removed in the form of water molecule. Remaining is OCH3. Okay, beta. Right. So actually this is nothing but which group? Methyl group. Right now? And remaining you check out. CH3 is COO, looking like acetate ion. Which acetate? Methyl acetate. So its compound name is nothing but methyl acetate. It is the example of ester. So यहाँ पर ester का example क्या बता सकते हैं अपन? CH3 methyl. Remaining group looking like acetate. Methyl acetate. This is common name beta. And we can write one more IUPAC name also. Methyl. 2 carbon is eth. Single bond is N. Ester functional group means what is the suffix we have to be add? OH. Means methyl ethanoate. This is IUPAC name, but common name is methyl acetate. Right. Here I have taken one more example, ethanol. Again bond cleavage takes place between OH bond in carboxylic acid, CO bond. Again same product beta, CH3 bonded to C double bond O, bonded to O, O connected to what is the group Nana? C2H5. So here it is the example of methyl acetate, and here it is the example of ethyl acetate. I hope you understand. And the byproduct is nothing but what beta? Water molecule. Right. Again same thing in alcohol, OH cleavage going to be takes place. In carboxylic acid, CO bond going to be break nana. So CH3 C double bond O as it is. Remaining group. Yes, methyl alcohol gives methyl acetate, ethyl alcohol gives ethyl acetate, and this is phenol, means we are getting phenyl acetate. This is benzene bonded to OH nana. Again we can break the OH bond na beta. So phenyl acetate. So यहाँ पर क्या लिखना? O bonded to C6H5 means we have to be say that phenyl acetate. It is also example of what beta? Ester. And the byproduct is nothing but water molecule. Methyl alcohol gives methyl acetate, phenyl alcohol gives phenol gives phenyl acetate, and ethyl alcohol gives ethyl acetate. All they are nothing but what beta? Examples of esters. You can see this all three nana. Alcohols on reaction with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and they forms what nana? Ester, and along with the formation of ester we are getting the water molecule. This is your reaction, esterification of alcohols, or we can say this is called Fischer esterification reaction. Right. In this esterification reaction, sometimes instead of concentrated sulfuric acid, we can use, in place of H2SO4, we can add HCl as a catalyst. If we use concentrated HCl as a catalyst, then we have to say again same reaction will be takes place. But if we use concentrated HCl as a catalyst, in that case we have to be say that this is called Fischer-Spear esterification reaction. In case of H2SO4, just Fischer esterification. In case of HCl, Fischer-Spear esterification reaction. Again reactant to product to everything will be same beta. Right. So in that reaction, alcohols are combining with what beta? Carboxylic acids. So which alcohol is more reactive towards carboxylic acid, or we can say which alcohol is more reactive towards esterification? Yes, actually this is the method belongs to which method? Reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. In OH cleavage, which alcohol is more reactive? Already I told you, methyl alcohol, or we can say primary alcohol. So alcohol reactivity in this esterification reaction. So which alcohol is more reactive? Methyl alcohol. Next one is which alcohol? Primary alcohol. Next one is secondary alcohol. Next one is tertiary alcohol. This is order of reactivity of alcohol. This is order of reactivity of OH bond cleavage. This is the order of reactivity of acidic nature also. I have told you in yesterday class very clearly beta. Right. So based on esterification, now I am going to give you one example question. Okay. अब तुम्हारा माइंड में तो सबका माइंड में तो एक पिक्चर क्लैरिटी है ना बेटा, कौन सा पिक्चर? द पिक्चर इज व्हाट इज मीन बाय एस्टरिफिकेशन। सो उसका पिक्चर अपन क्या बता सकते हैं? एसिड प्लस अल्कोहल, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, एसिड प्लस अल्कोहल दैट गिव्स राइज टू एस्टर एंड वाटर। द प्रोसेस इज नथिंग बट एस्टरिफिकेशन। ये पिक्चर तुम तो आपका माइंड में रखिए, राइट? ओके, बेस्ड ऑन एस्टरिफिकेशन वन क्वेश्चन बेटा। CH2 bond CH2 bonded to OH. Again first carbon also connected to OH. This is nothing but ethane. 2 carbon eth single bond ane. Ethane diol, or we can say ethylene glycol. IUPAC name is ethane 1,2 diol. Okay beta, right, 1,2 diol. Yeah, COOH looking like oxalic acid. COOH bond COOH, oxalic acid. One is acid, one more is alcohol. Definitely in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, which product we are going to get? Definitely we are going to the product. The product is nothing but what beta? Ester. Shall we write the reaction? Yeah, tell me. In alcohol, which bond going to be cleavage? OH. OH. In carboxylic acid, C2O, C2O, C2O. Okay, now beta. Right. Now that H plus combines with OH minus, we have to be remove the water molecule. Again H plus combines with OH minus, again we have to remove the water molecule. So how many moles of water molecule are going to eliminate? 2 moles. Minus 2 moles of H2O. Okay, now beta. Right. Remaining CH2 bonded to CH2. CH2 bonded to CH2. It connected to, both are connected to 1 oxygens. Okay, well beta. And next H and OH, they are removed in the form of water molecule. Means that now oxygen directly connected to carbon. Again this oxygen also connected to this carbon. Again CH2 bond CH2 as it is. But this carbon contain one C double bond O group. And here also this carbon contain one more C double bond O group. C double bond O OC. C double bond O OC, symbol of ester. C double bond O OC, symbol of ester. But these are open chain esters and this is nothing but cyclic ester. What beta? Cyclic ester. I am going to use one very important word. Sir, what is mean by lactone? What is mean by lactone? Lactone का meaning cyclic esters are known as lactones. Cyclic esters are known as lactone. Lactone का meaning अपना माइंड में एक ही वर्ड रिमेंबर करना, lactone means cyclic ester. Right. Yes, this is also cyclic ester. So simply we have to say that the product is nothing but lactone. Right. Yes, this is the information about the esterification and this is the objective question. How to solve? I hope maybe you can understand clearly. Right. One more very important objective question I am going to discuss with you now. Intramolecular esterification reaction. Intramolecular. This is intermolecular. Between two compound esterification. This is inter. But here within the compound only we are going to do esterification. Once again. Esterification between two different compounds, or okay, esterification between two alcohol and acid, two different compounds are there, right? Esterification between two compounds, that is called interesterification. But यहाँ पर intramolecular esterification means esterification going to be takes place only in one molecule, and within the molecule we can see the procedure of formation of ester. Okay na beta? Right, I will show you. So how to do intramolecular esterification? Very important for objective beta. Right, intramolecular esterification. Gamma hydroxy carboxylic acids. Hydroxy, OH group, carboxylic acid. So acid is there, alcohol is there. Both are in one molecule. I hope you understand. Gamma hydroxy carboxylic acids. Same thing in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Nahi to concentrated what na HCl. Right, as relation. And they are going to form a 5-membered cyclic ester. 5-membered cyclic ester. What do you mean by cyclic ester? Lactone. Next, delta hydroxy carboxylic acids upon intramolecular esterification in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid or concentrated hydrochloric acid. But here you are getting 6-membered cyclic ester. Again that is also known as lactone. Maybe 5-membered lactone or maybe 6-membered lactone. Whatever that may be, 5-membered cyclic esters or 6-membered cyclic esters. Cyclic esters are known as lactone. But gamma hydroxy carboxylic acids upon intramolecular esterification gives 5-membered lactone and delta hydroxy carboxylic acids upon intramolecular esterification gives 6-membered lactone. Okay na? Yes. So gamma hydroxy compounds gives 5-membered lactone, delta hydroxy compounds gives 6-membered lactose. For the two different category, two examples I have given here. Try to focus, ultimately important for objective. Our green, red one. Yeah, this is looking like C double bond O bonded to OH. Means this is nothing but carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, nothing but main functional group. Carboxylic acids, adjacent carbon is alpha, alpha adjacent is beta, beta adjacent is gamma. Gamma connected to OH means gamma hydroxy. Gamma hydroxy carboxylic acid in acidic medium undergo intramolecular esterification, and gamma hydroxy compounds gives which ester? 5-membered cyclic ester. Yes, so shall we draw the structure? Yes, okay, we are going to draw the structure beta. Yeah, in carboxylic acid, which bond going to be cleavage? CO. Okay, very good, CO. In alcohol, which bond? OH bond. Now that H plus combines with OH minus, H plus combines with OH minus, we can eliminate in the form of water molecule. Okay na? Right. Remaining, which membered ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oxygen also we have to be considered in the ring. So we are getting which membered ring beta? 5-membered ring. Oxygen is one of the, okay na, atom in the ring. Right. So oxygen connected to C double bond O group. Oxygen connected to what is the group? C double bond O group. And H combines with OH, removed in the form of water molecule. This is clear. C double bond O, OC. C double bond O, OC. This is the symbol of ester. But this is cyclic ester. So such cyclic ester is nothing but we have to be say that lactose. So gamma hydroxy carboxylic acids upon intramolecular esterification gives the product is nothing but lactone. Right beta. Again COOH or C double bond OH, this is nothing but carboxylic acid. Adjacent group is alpha and adjacent is beta. Next carbon is gamma and next carbon is nothing but delta. Delta connected to OH. So delta hydroxy carboxylic acid, it gives a 6-membered lactone. Right beta. Alcohol undergo OH cleavage, carboxylic acid undergo CO cleavage. Now that H plus combines with OH minus. H combines with OH means removed in the form of water molecule. Right. After removal of H plus, O contains charge minus. That minus was given to this carbon, central carbon. Means we are making new bond. Means we are getting cyclic ring. Here also same thing. O contains charge minus. This bond was given to central carbon. We are getting 5-membered lactone. Okay, na? Right. So now which membered ring we are getting, I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there, 1 oxygen is there. Which membered ring? 6-membered ring. Good. Oxygen connected to C double bond O group. Oxygen connected to C double bond O group. Good better? C double bond O group, side carbon contain 2 methyl. C double bond O group, side carbon contain 2 methyl. So this is the 5-membered ring lactone coming from gamma hydroxy, and this is 6-membered ring lactone and coming from what? Delta hydroxy. So same thing, this is also product name. Its product name is nothing but what beta? Lactone. I hope you understand this clearly beta. Okay, na? Right. So in next class we are going to be discuss about the acylation reaction of alcohols. Acylation reaction of alcohols. How does alcohols shows reaction with acid halides and acid anhydrides?